Hey everyone, in today's video, I will walk you through on how to change payment method on Snapchat. All you have to do is follow this guide because I'll show you the step-by-step process. Now, let's start. On your web browser, search snapchat.com and make sure to log in your account. Since I have my account ready, so in your Snapchat dashboard, at the top left corner, click your profile and tap account settings. After that, select Ads Manager and you will head into this interface. At the bottom, just tap Back to Manage View. After that, toggle your mouse or click the Manage Ads at the top left corner. And at the right side, in Business column, click Billings and Payments. So in this page, if you don't have any payment method added yet, just click New Payment Method. And here you can choose whatever payment method you want. And for example, if you want to use cards, just enter your nickname and your card holder name and the card number, expiration date, the CVV, and your country, and then zip code. After that, just tap the Create Payment Method button at the top right corner. Once you added a payment method, your saved payment method should display in this section. And if you want to change the payment method, just tap the Save Cards, then change the information of that card. After that, you'll see Save Changes button and just tap it. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.